pe nili ki pualam puamat nili kroy nang ni nali tum methang mamat le lang tarlipdunpo study damno research anon alam ahoksi dan plant Lok Sabha long FCRA Amendment Act 2026 alam kapeklangpon do Sorkar atum FCRA aron kimi kapeklang-pen hadaga alang itum designated authority keseng ponji aphan alang itum kemang pondo salajong isi kangsai mate kacharipon asong an Labangso designated authority jong se alang itum seng ponde ten pethirpo den luputang te alang itum along jakong do kokpola FCRA account kido atuma puta FCRA license kedodo atuma puta alang ituma bang se lang dun charidunpo pangrihidunpo tarlipdunpo arjupatherpo cancelji renew po kade renewdetpo alang ituma long se jakong do kokpola.
This is a straightforward loot and theft of the Christian institutions and their properties through a legal amendment of a bill. I say that if this law is passed, this will be the legalized loot of the Indian Christian community and the global Christian community.
FCRA ke kopi lo FCRA liputang telake Foreign Contribution Regulation Act mane foreign countries pen atangka maha ke India lo nang ke loot ahut ke aron damzir pen se tangka maha nang loot nang ji lo lasi labangso tangka ke wang pen tangka kopi aphan se nang ki loot ma labangso aron kapithik to an haku pen aron do nang ke bangso aron atang ateng pen si claim FCRA 2010 abila bang se activate bom anak langsor ateng se kedodo we atum the registered society registered trust company setum lapen ke NGO setum bang so aron kirim pensi akama jam claim pon bo
because the assets in India, and we have a lot of assets, though legally owned by us, morally and ethically they're not ours. It is a shared property. It is a shared property. For example, a church in America sponsors or gives part of the money to 10 schools. They come and visit and see the school. So now what? Government is going to take over? This will lead in lawsuits in the West. Whatever I mean, because this is a clear-cut grab of sincere people who have given money for the development of India, not expecting anything in return, including country. You are opening a can of worms globally and in the UN.
The piniyarni FCRA Amendment Bill 2026 aron alam the kapeklangpon do. Anlabang minorities atau aphan akisung apen kapere meme andeng. And jasimet ke Christian minorities atumlo. Atheke ara alang itu mabang angtan pen tangka mahawan school ki kimji aphan college ki kimji aphan dispensaries hospitals orphanages lahi ki kim kirang iji aphan alang itu angtan atum langchet akiada to chet chuhang chuning rilo banang pidulo la som seili tu matangka mahata chepangrum dun si alang itu matangka pen lahai school college pen ason institute kikimpa an India lang ke Christians Institute do oan rong supi ke do veklo rong atok anuan ta do anakama jam mesen India that kangthur ponji akam se ke claim kedam I anon labangso a act jongsi a bill passed that aron jong se pithir del liputang te adak loy lituma phana kisum atheke angtan pen ke wana tangka jong se abuse idet aron damjir pen ke amen ingthanpetpo ka renew po puhut renew pipedet the kalite ihak tuma bang ke expired law ama se akam ke claim I ede lo ta ki kim tang a ham do ki kim tang a school or college do al hai bage sorkar tum se chirai de
Power and withdraw this bill. This is this has got so many problems, Karan. Think about the tens of millions of people who are in our institutions. We're not perfect. We have the odd case of rogues and all of it. But the hospitals, the care, I mean, just during the COVID time, millions of people were helped by Christian institutions.
ki kim tang a school or college do al hai bage sorkar tum se chirai de la som se aron kapithik alla pulo putante Christian tum akhia dat kithilo Christian tum hamarit mate akhia dat along le phelang kithilo atheke lahaya school lahaya colleges lahaya institute ke personnel kali lahaya ke trust amendment society amendment song amendment si kikim ke chorang-i an majokta individual ke ahemphu ke kali an piniar ni jongsi alam tumnong si Labangso aron pithik del putante India sor phan ke kiduk kila ke boyara to phan ke jasmet lok charli anathu banke akadure dokdoklo akana hok dokdoklo
Proposed new FCRA amendment is merely a ploy for the government to take over properties and assets run by Christian institutions. You believe, although the bill doesn't specify that its target is Christian institutions, but you believe that Christian institutions will be a primary target of this bill.
I do, because 50 years, the Indian Christian community, it's not the foreign Christian community, Indian Christian community painstakingly has built excellent institution of education, health, economic empowerment, orphanages, old age homes, etc. And the network is quite vast. You see, the RSS is celebrating its 100th year anniversary, as we know. They have had a free, under this government and previous. Why have they not created this kind of institutions over all of these years? Why are they now, and some commentators and Christians have said to me, this is nothing but pure greed. They know that the Christian community now commands a vast network of education that is contributing to the strengthening of India and India's development and secular democracy.
an Labangso a act banke alang itum chini lor pensi nang ke claim atheke 2010 aron dokangkok pike kopi si non 2026 Amendment Bill bang nang ka salam pitunang langma hala Labangso aron ateng pensi tum ta ke claim ke dam dut that is si tum ta tuma trust registered society lo an aron kirim pensi ke claim tu Tebon sta alam tuma bangke men ingthanpetpo pasondo do an penang an FCA account ki do tumke amen ta ingthanbom lo kan than aphai ta do u an lo ning oi me therak me jingjin so me Labangso alam ning chibi urtha epe nili ki pualam puamat nili kroy nang ne nali tum methang mamat le lang tarlipdunpo study damno research anon alam ahok si nang planji